Wait, hit me.
No. You're gonna...
Okay, yeah. Okay, come on. We need to find a lever. I remember some things, not everything. I got it. It's open. Come on. It's. Yes. What?
What's the first door? Like?
Yes, like this is like there's 4 zones. Who wants to get in the cart?
I volunteer as tribute.
All right, go. Okay, there should be a switch in there. You have to hit it. She opened the door. Let's wait for her. You have to ride the cart back. Then you have to break it and place it back on the track.
Oh, you right.
Oh my gosh. Right, there she is. Come on. No, it won't.
What was that?
Nothing. Jump, Rock, jump. Okay. Stop. I found one. Found a lever.
Lex, maybe you shouldn't die next time.
What is this?
Stop smacking people!
I didn't mean to.
Don't kill me.
Come on.
Get the big 2 shells.
Okay, Lex. This tight rooms. She thinks there's gonna be something around the corners.
I didn't know.
Shells no monsters. Shell, what is that thing? It pushed the argument.
Come on. Come on.
It's gone.
Yeah, I know it's gone. Right, Rock, go. Don't. No. Someone get in. Okay, break the cart and... Okay, put it on the tracks. Okay, he's going. Rock, do you see it? Right, over here. Okay, come on. Oh, I'm sorry!
Oh my god, stop hitting every shadow.
I didn't mean to.
Why are you crying?
Go die. Shadow is just killing me most.
No.
Stop.
Oops. What? Those doors don't lead to anything. Yeah, none of the doors in... Oh, okay.
Does it have the atom on it? Oh, I found a lever.
Okay, come on.
No, that was me.
He found the room. You get credit for finding the room, Lex.
Let's... Okay, wait. Yeah, let's just break that. Okay, yeah, put it. Okay, come on. Oh, look, there's beds.
My bed. Why do you look at the bed?
Oh, because I thought he'd feel
But I felt safe in that room. You saw it, Lex?
I get to pop top out.
No! Oh! I live!
No, you did not.
I'm gonna go walk the stroll.
No!
I'm staying right here. I don't want to die.
Come on. Legs. Oh yeah, click on it. Click on the bed.
I did.
Click. Lex, did you click on it? Yes, click on the white bed.
I feel like something's gonna happen.
Shadow, you do it this time. Yeah, Shadow did. I didn't.
You're the only one who's not. No. Oh my gosh!
Is it still there?
Nothing. Yeah, go Legs.
And Shadow said it's so hard for them.
Please open it. Okay, thank you. Wait, Lex, why are you in there?
Ah!
It's killing them!
Oh, I thought there was someone else who was in it.
Okay, someone needs bread. We need to run. So we need bread.
I want to get into Pongo.
Okay, Lex, I'll give you 1 bread.
Thank you.
Right. Who else needs bread?
No!
Evergreen, do you need bread?
No.
What? Rock? Okay. Here, Rock. Wait. Sorry. Here. Alright, you have the bread.
Wait, can I go?
Well, I only have one more, but here.
Shadow.
Alright, you can run though, right?
Yeah.
Go. Who wants to? We have to run.
You go for Shadow. It's a new pack.
It's gonna start firing. I saw what it did. I think there's a lever in this room. Ah, I'm tired! Uh-oh. Wait, has it even... It has seen me. I've seen... No! Don't stand on any ice. Like, don't stand on anything. Come on. Okay. Ah! Come on. Like, so you're gonna... I'm still saying, once we reach those endgame levels, you're gonna be crying. I'm just saying.
Hey, man. That's not me.
We need to find a pressure plate. We have to find the right door. Right? We have to put it on the right door. We try to find the right door. Which door is right?
I'm not doing it. Oh, that one.
Oh, okay. Try to open it. Try to open it. Or what door do you think it is?
This one.
Then open it. Put the pressure plate down. Oh, we should put it on.
How?
Let me grab it. It broke. Okay, come on. We can just break the door down.
Thanks a lot, Shadow.
Oh my gosh.
Shadow.
It's coming. It's down.
Shadow. How come you don't see
Oh no. This is gonna be bad. Real bad. Oh, this way.
Oh.
No, I don't. Oh no, you're going the right way. We just...
What he said.
It's a dark room. So we have to... I don't know.
You don't know.
Beware.
Game out of it.
Beware. Oh, Rock!
He literally said it. That's so nice.
You guys are gonna get yourselves killed.
This one. This one.
Like, see, you'll be regretting your words soon. Like, stuff is happening. This thing comes. Okay, guys, I'm coming.
I'm Shadow Dumbo.
Lex, I'm right here.
Whoa, you took
Ah, kill Rock. It rushed into him.
Why?
Everyone just stay in that room. Rock, just go forward. Evergreen, don't go in the next room. You're not gonna like what's in there.
Oh, thanks a lot, Shadow. Little preview.
Alright, Lex, get out of the bed. Rock. Click on your bed.
19 old man.
Okay, come out.
Okay.
Open it. Let's go.
I'm not going.
Oh! Ouch. Oh, close it! Someone, just push it out of the way. It can't be killed. Or you could go in and it will... Yeah.
You guys sacrificed Rock.
Run, Rock, run! It's going after him!
What are you using me?
No, but it only targets one person at a time. I found a lever. This thing's just deep in the... It track... Lex, be careful, it tracks us.
It killed him.
Yeah, it's gonna track us down. Be careful. Rock, where did it kill you? I'm scared. I don't know how close we have to be. Run, 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 run! Ah! Is he still coming? Okay, good, good. It's scary when it chases you. No, not in here. The only way to survive is to. Ah! Killed Lex! Oh, what happened, Lex? You screamed! Evergreen, it's heading for you. I saw it. It's heading for you. The anchor head.
This video is not that scary.
Like, it's unknown sound, man. I have no idea where it's going. We need one more lever. What is that? We need another lever.
I'm not talking about shit.
More scary than that.
It's scary.
Yeah, that's what made me game the whole time.
Oh my
I
gosh.
died, I didn't scream. So why are you over here doing all that? Okay.
I made something that would be scary to me. I have weird fears. Where is it? Oh! Is it down? No, the monster's down there. I thought that was a chest. I thought that was a chest.
No!
See, it scared Rock though. I'm gonna go. Rock, don't, no. It's coming, Rock. It's coming. Lex! Wait, who is it after though? Oh! It's not after me. It's not after me. It's after Lex. Okay, they got through. Rock, don't go back in there. Did you see how many times that thing killed us?
I'm gonna wait right here.
Yeah, let's wait.
Take a nice sea, Shadow. We're having.
Nice see after repeatedly getting killed by a big thing in a dark maze. See, I told Lex I'd get him to scream.
I can't believe it.
No, you screamed when I wasn't
Your
screaming.
scream was more scary, honestly.
God.
And then your delayed warnings.
I'm sorry. I didn't know you guys were coming. So you'd show up and it'd be super. Rock.
I think you did an amazing job on this. And it made me. It made me.
Let's save.
Everybody games Bible game. Oh!
I think Evergreen was just annoyed that it kept running Endure.
I was more annoyed with Shadow.
Evergreen, did you save? The windows are blue! Right! It's hyperbound again.
That's so weird.
Oh my gosh. Oh! That was a close one. I think it's over. Show us the right door.
This one.
Oh!
This one.
Don't go in there.
See, Shadow. You'll get it next time for sure.
Ledge.
Time's the charm.
Or maybe, does that way work? It does. So you just have to do it once you... Stop. Don't imitate what I did.
Am I the only one that's not falling lava here?
No! Get it!
You just have to get... Guys! That's scary. Lex made it. I heard another noise, man.
Oh, I made it.
Rock. Okay.
Oh, I got Youngfield. Oh, sorry.
Oh!
I got Shadow.
Alright. Are there beds? Yeah, click on the beds.
I don't like the sound of whatever that was.
What do you mean?
There's a deer there.
Close.
Stop it.
Close the door, Lex. Crouch. Lex, I know you remember this. Crouch.
It's looking at him.
It's looking at him, but
Okay,
nobody can see us. All we have to do is get close, and it's gonna attack. Just try to. Wait, he's actually guarding the only exit, so guess we have to get close to him eventually.
Who volunteers as tribute?
I do. I volunteer as tribute.
You should have waited until we tried.
It's kicking people. It's kicking people.
Oh!
Rock! Whoa! Right, we have to find an axe.
Ooh, bread! 6 things of bread.
Yeah, we should
I found an axe.
get it, y'all.
Okay, I'm not even.
I don't know where that thing is.
Okay.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna try to break into here. Lex, what are those noises? You go.
What? No, you don't need me.
Come on, Lex. Let's go together, okay? Because we have to get over there. Did you guys find a lever?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think we need 3. That's the way to the exit. We need the stuff first. Lex, just get close.
I did.
Ah!
Wow. I did get close.
I know, but he killed us. I mean, me.
Why?
I'm pretty sure we can use. No, I didn't hear him.
What year is it?
Who is the other one? He's charging off somewhere. I found one.
Give it to me.
I'm not giving it to you.
Shut up! Oh my god!
Oh, he's coming. He's coming. He's coming.
Open the whole thing, we would have been safe.
No, we won it.
We didn't open it.
He still would have gotten in. We made it outside. Lex, this way. We made it outside.
No,
We won?
Nothing.
Yeah.
You've been playing for like hours?
No. I'm stuck.
Or is it just a close from far away? Oh my god.
Click on it. Click on it.
Guys, I need money. Break Lex's bed to go through.
Why are you
No,
swimming?
we can't go through yet.
Oh.
Look, look, look. It says on there.
We won?
Yeah, we won. Well, we didn't beat the game. We just made it through the first sector of it.
So we don't break Lex's bed.
No, chapter 7 isn't done yet.
But that means we won.
Yeah, we won the first section. Okay. No, okay.